So the first one is the principal quantum number, which is n. Now the rule for n is fairly straightforward. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to infinity. So n can be any of these numbers. The larger the n value, the larger the average distance of the electron from the nucleus. So as n goes up, so does the size of this energy level that we're describing. So it gets higher in energy as you go up, and it gets larger. And n is describing the energy level. So we'll refer to it as either the principal quantum number, or these are also the Bohr energy levels that we were talking about when we talked about the Bohr model. You have also seen these when you look at the periodic table. So there's usually numbers that run along the left-hand side, or when we talk about the like 1s, 2s, 3p, 4d, any of those, that first number there is the principal quantum number. So the 1 of 1s is the principal quantum number. The 5 of 5d is the principal quantum number. That giant number out in front is the principal quantum number. That is n. We will use n in a variety of different ways. The first thing to realize about the principal quantum number n is that we will refer to it not only as the principal quantum number, but also as a shell. We'll talk about these as shells or energy levels, all the same thing. The other thing you need to realize is that as far as energy levels go, technically all atoms have an infinite number. Now, that doesn't mean that they're full though. So when we talk about atoms, we'll often describe them as saying an electron found in the outermost energy level of the ground state configuration. All of those terms just try to tell you that there are electrons in all of the energy levels, and then we're going to describe to you the one in the outermost level that has an electron in it. So not the theoretical outermost level, but the outermost filled level. Also meaning that then all the other ones previous are filled. I do know this gets confusing, so bear with us with the language and just watch the question, because oftentimes there's words or phrases that students tend to skip over, but they're us trying to clarify for you what we really mean. And again, when we talk about quantum numbers, these are going to be to try to describe an area where electrons are. So we're trying to describe the location of electrons in an atom.